Hey y'all, it's Mary and I have my empties. I don't necessarily do empties every month or anything like that. I just do them when this bin gets looking like it needs to be emptied. So let's see what I've got, because I haven't even looked in it recently. All right, this is Matrix Amplify Volumizing System. This is Thick Lift Liquid Volumizer. Love, love, love this. I don't think you can get it anymore. It just so happens, this goes back a few years ago, a friend was selling a bunch of things because they needed some money. And I bought all these from her to try to help her out, and I love it. But I don't think they make that anymore. Matrix makes different hair products, but not that particular one. It was a cream that you put in before you blow dry your hair. Loved it, loved it, loved it. Wish they still had it. Okay. This I got, Happy Skin. I got this in Allure. Cats are running. And this is an enzymic facial exfoliator in Lush Fresh Handmade Cosmetics. They're handmade especially for you. And people were telling me, I had never heard of it before, y'all, but people were telling me how fabulous it is. And it smelled really good. It smells like peanut butter, but y'all, I didn't like it. So it says facial exfoliator. This it was like pumice. So if you know what pumice is, you know that you use, there's a pumice stone that you use to scrape your heels. Pumice it's concrete. I don't know if it's but it's very finely grained like sand. It was too rough on my face. So I did use it on my legs and, you know, on my body as opposed to my face. I didn't like it on my face at all, at all. Let's see if I have any rhyme or reason going on here. Of course I have Lume. Love Lume. Lume is life-changing. Lume is absolutely life-changing. I do have a link below if you, I think you'll save $5 if you use it. I think it even works if you get it on sale because they always have sales going. It is life-changing. And I've done a couple of videos on it in the past, so I won't tell you all about it, but it is an aluminum-free deodorant. It's from your head to your toe. And this is probably my favorite way that it comes. It comes in a solid. You know, when I first got this, I thought it was a solid. They do have a solid, but the one that I get it has these 3 holes up here. It's a cream. When you move this up, it's a cream. And it's phenomenal. It is life-changing. So, just telling you. I was looking to see if I have a little bit of makeup. And other than that, I have mostly skincare. Yeah, I think so. Okay. So, I have, I have this Kokie brand Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. I don't know where I got this from. I want to say I got this in Glossy Box. I could be wrong. This is a illuminating concealer, it says. And it was just fine. You can get Kokie at the drugstore. It's just it's all dried out, you know. It's but it worked well. I can still a little bit still in there, but it was getting just cakey, so I decided it's time to get rid of it. I've had it forever, especially if I got it in Glossy Box. And also I have this from forever ago. In organizing, I found this. This goes back a while. I found this in a drawer of things, and I really like it. This is L'Oreal True Match, and the product you can see, you would be able to see in here. It's all gone, and then it has this spongy thing at the end. It was just perfect for my skin, and how it has this sponge here, and it's a concealer. And there's a little tiny bit left, but I just love it. It was perfect. It was perfect for me. There, you know, it's getting to where there's not much on there. I mean, that's it, you know, so time to go. And then this I have from e.l.f. And y'all, this is super cute packaging and all that, but this is brow gel. So I don't color my brows or put color in my brows or anything. But sometimes I have this, especially this side, it's like I'm a 90-year-old man getting out of bed sometimes, the way my brow is. So sometimes I use a wax or something. And I had this from e.l.f. And it is, it's a clear gel, and it has this nice little brush, but look at it. That's the hazards of having something that you can see through. Because I probably did that after I put my makeup on, so it got all cloudy and icky in there. So I can't keep using it. I have others, so it's okay. All right. Next, I have some skincare. Okay, this is a hair care thing, and this is really weird. I can't get the rest of this out of here. This I got in Allure, I think. This is Nature Lab, and this is the Perfect Clean Scalp Balancing Sake Rinse. So you had to squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. This is the hardest thing ever. It doesn't squeeze. I forgot how the tip was. Well, there's a screw on it. Maybe there was a cap, but those kinds of things go missing in my house all the time. There is a little bit still in there, but it didn't do anything for me. So it's out. It's out. This is wonderful. This is Pharmacy. This is just a sample of the Pharmacy Green Clean. This is a balm for cleaning your makeup off, a cleansing balm, and it was wonderful. And I did have this in a full size, but I gave it to someone. So if you get a chance to try that, I think you'll really like it. I have this crazy thing. Where did I get this? Alginist. It's Blue Algae Vitamin C Dark Spot Corrector. It says correcting peel. I don't think I knew that before, because I don't even know how to use it if it's a peel. Let me look into that further, because I was going to show you. I thought, I've been rubbing this into my skin, so maybe I'm not supposed to be doing that. I can't even see the back of it. It's so tiny. I'll have to really investigate. Massage something. So yeah, it does say to leave it on. Oh, leave it on for 20 minutes. I never took it off. I put it on. It didn't do anything for me for spots. And let me show it to you, because I thought it was old or something, but maybe now I'll try it. It is, look at it. I mean, it is thick and gloppy, and I was rubbing that into my skin and not taking it off. So my fault, Alginist. Sorry, I was going to be ugly. But I will try it. It wants me to rinse it off. Okay, so we'll shoot for that. We'll have that in the next empties probably. So my very favorite thing of all time, my very favorite cleanser of all time, Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This stuff is gold. It's like gold. So what I did was I cut it open to get every last bit out of it, y'all, because it's phenomenal. Phenomenal. You don't need much. It's mild. It has a very light scent, sort of vanilla-y. It is phenomenal. I love it. I love it. And yeah, see how that is? Can you imagine? No wonder I didn't like it. Okay. No wonder I didn't like it. I have this cute little sample from Sawasu. Sawasu is a Japanese skincare line, and it's very high dollar. It's very well known in Japan. I think it's probably their best skincare line in Japan, I do believe. Beautiful packaging. This was just a little sample that I got. Look at the bottom. You can see that, there wasn't much to it. It's a false bottom. Super cute. This is a moisturizer, and essential, it says essential firming cream. And it smells like essential oils, and it was just really lovely. Very difficult to get the last bit of it out because of that deep well. So, but super pretty packaging. I have a couple other pieces from this line. small because it's too expensive to get the big size, the big stuff. I also have, I should have tried to go in order of things. Sorry that I didn't. This is Wishful, which is product by Huda Beauty. This is a Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. Wonderful scrub. Wonderful, light, not pumice. It's not pumice. It feels really good when you're scrubbing your skin, and very, very nice and mild. I like it. Like it a lot. Now, this is not empty. This is probably about here. I can see it in there. This, people that know Eve Lom told me this was to die for. I do have another Eve Lom product that is a moisturizer. This is a rescue mask, and everybody that told me about it said you must try it. It's fabulous. You know, this is so rough on my skin. I can't use it. It says after cleansing, apply over the entire face, avoiding the eyes, leave on between 15 to 20 minutes, and remove gently with upward movements. Then wipe skin clean. And this one is, let me see if I can, it separates a little bit in there. You're supposed to shake it before you use it. It's like a mud. I just am not good with muds, y'all. I just am not, because they're too drying for me. This was so drying. Yeah, you're supposed to shake it. It was just too drying for me. So I will be passing it on to someone. So there it is. It doesn't, there's these little grains in there that are like salt. It's too drying and too rough. It was too rough for me. It even smells like cement. I'm not kidding you. So I can't use it. And I know people that would like it. So, but it gets separated. I'm not sure why, but it should be a little thicker than that. But yeah, I can even feel the grains. It feels like salts, and I just didn't like it. Didn't like it at all. And then I have this Peter Thomas Roth. This is the Clinical Skincare Unwrinkle Night. Phenomenal. Loved every bit of it. Very rich and creamy. What is this? Itty bitty in there. But very rich and creamy. I really enjoyed this. I used this most of the winter. It was a thick cream. Really, really nice. Peter Thomas Roth is just, well known for wonderfulness. I also have this little Borghese cream. This is the Crema Restorativo. And Borghese is from Italy. And the Borghese family, they are the Princess Borghese goes on QVC. And she's really down to earth. You'd never know she was a princess. She's so sweet. This was so nice. It smells very light and nice, and it's a nice rich cream. Very, very nice. And even though it looks small, I think this is a full size. Really like that. And I got this Selfless by Hyam Retinol and Rainbow Algae Repair Serum. And this also is supposed to help with dark spots. I don't like it. I've tried and tried and tried. Put some on me here. It just, it feels sticky and tacky. Doesn't really have much of a scent, but I don't like the way it'll dry and then it feels just really sticky. So I don't like it. So I'm decluttering it. And yeah, I don't know where I got it. I think I got it from Test Tube Beauty. I'm thinking, I could be wrong. It might have been Allure. And this I got, Medicate. This, it's Medic and then the number 8. This is the Crystal Retinol 3. I got 2 or 3 of these, maybe even 4 of these, honestly, right at Christmas time. I think one was in my advent calendar. And I got one in Allure, and I think I got one in Test Tube Beauty. I got several of these, and it's wonderful. And I know because I I got them right at the same time. I used one. I may have another. I know I've given one or two away because I just can't get through them all. These are, this is really nice. This is a moisturizer, and it's not real thick. It's Stable Retinol Night Serum, vitamin A, next generation vitamin A. It comes out, and it looks like a concealer, the color of it, but it's super nice. Very nice light. I really liked it. Really, really liked it. And I have this deluxe sample of the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo, the original scent. This was very nice. I don't know how I still have a cap. I'm amazed. It has a nice scent to it. I am amazed when I still have a cap because Camille gets all my caps of things. But this is a deluxe sample, and it was very, very nice. The Dry Bar I've had before. This is the original scent. It's like a light green package. I've had one that was a cream package, and I don't remember what the scent was on that one, but it's nice. And then this is fabulous, y'all. This is the IGK Excellent Hair Care line. This is the First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Invisible Deep Cleanse Oil Erasing. And I love it. And I got several of these from Fab Fit Fun, I think. I think they were, I might have got one in the sales, you know, like the add-on sales. And then I liked it so much I've gotten it again. And now they have it in one of the most recent sales, but you can only get one. It's like a $20 value or more, can't remember. And they've had them for like $5.99 or $6.99. So really, really nice dry shampoo. And this is, you know, a full size. I really like it. So, and that is my empties, y'all. So I will give this Alginist a try, another try, now that I know that I was doing it wrong. And I hope you all have a great day, and count your blessings, y'all, and take care. Bye-bye.